Are you guys ready for another episode of Thrift Store Toys Unboxing? Look at this awesome big bag of toys that I got from Goodwill for only $3.99. I wonder what kind of goodies are in here. I see the Jack in the Box antenna ball right there. What other goodies are in here? Goodwill. Check out these toy sets. I think it's from like McDonald's Happy Meal and different fast food places. I think I'll buy one of each. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Looks like there are a total of 10 toys. I can't wait to unbag each. First, we are going to take a look at this Jack's Kids Meal. Animals with a twist. You guys are not going to believe it. Look how cute Mr. Ostrich is. It's the tallest of the whole collector set. Look at the cute eyelashes, the pink beak, big eyes, see the neck, super long neck, and with the feathers, wings. So ostriches can't really fly, but they are known to gather up some speed, and their legs are very powerful. So make sure you watch out for that if you go visit a zoo. I love it. Oh look, it's another Animals with a Twist, guys. This time it is Miss Flamingo. She's a little bit shy, see that? She's looking away. I love the pink, the dark pink and the black beak. Look at the cute little feathers. Sipping water at the beach. How lovely. Right, next up we have 3 of these Jack in the Box antenna balls. They all look the same. It's kind of like a snowman one, so I'm going to only unbag one of these. I might give away the rest of them away to a lucky subscriber, so make sure you stay tuned on my channel. And make sure you check out my J Rule channel along with the Kira Rules. Check it out, guys. Nice hat. See the cute Jack in the Box eyes with the carrot nose. This is supposed to fit on older cars which has antenna. So back then you would put it on top of the antenna, it would go flap in the wind. It is so really amazing. Very awesome collectible toy. Look at what we have here this time. It's a Jack's Kids Meal Wide World of Jack. Why is Jack himself in his karate black belt uniform doing karate moves? His moves, his left arm chops like that, his right arm also chops like that, or he's like break dancing. His legs doesn't really move. It's made of awesome plastic. I love it. He's a black belt. Check it out, guys. Oh wow, that is totally amazing. I just wish Jack would come out with toys in the kids meal like McDonald's. I think they pretty much stopped, unfortunately. And now we have another Animals with a Twist from Jack in the Box. This time it's Mr. Cobra again. I love the awesome green, lime green color. Look at his tongue, he's licking himself. Put this down. And make sure you be careful with snakes, guys, because some of these are poisonous. Especially a cobra like this one. Oh guys, next up you guys are in for a treat. This is the Jack's Kids Meal Marvel Collector Set. Collect all 6. This came out in 2002. It's totally amazing, guys. It comes with 2 pieces. But what are we supposed to do with it? Let's take a look at the instruction manual. Marvel City of Heroes. This is the Hulk. It looks like I'm supposed to put Hulk on top of the building. And the rest of the collector set, it looks like you have the Fantastic Four, Daredevil, Captain America, Hawkeye, and Hulk. So let's go ahead and put the Incredible Hulk on top of the building. Oh wow, check it out, guys. Oh, you see that? When you squeeze it down, his arms move like Hulk smash. That's basically what he's doing. It's really awesome. I love the Marvel logo. And look at how accurate and strong Hulk is. Ah, Hulk smash! Hulk smash! Alright kids, we have 2 more to go. It's another Jack in the Box. Wide World of Jack. check out Jack. It comes with this hockey stick. Look at Jack with his face mask. Goalie, he's a goaltender. He's got all his gears, everything, the red, white, and blue. Ice skates. And right here is where you put his hockey stick. So you do his work and block your goal. Do not get past me. Hey guys, I've saved the best for last. This is a huge bag of another wide world of Jack. And a lot of toys in it. Oh wow guys, you guys are not gonna believe it. This comes with 3 awesome pieces. You see, first it comes with this dog sled that you assembled by putting the front harness, attach it like that. And then Jack himself in his winter setup. I love the blue and the black. Put him on the back right here. It's basically a dog sled, guys. See that? How awesome is that? And then the dog would go right here. See that? Oh wow. This is probably my favorite Kiss Meal toy of all time. Totally amazing. I can't believe Jack in the Box back then came out with awesome toys like this. Even beating McDonald's. Hey guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more exciting toys and gaming reviews. Today we have another special Kids Meal Toys unboxing. This is episode number 3. Are you guys ready for it? So I got this huge bag of Kids Meal Toys for only $1.99 from Goodwill. I see a Hot Wheels right there, and I see that Batman cup. So we know what to expect, but what kind of other goodies and surprises are in here? Let's go ahead and box it and find out. Oh guys, it looks like we have 6 packs of toys. Let's go ahead and unbag each and see what they're made of. Alright, first up we have the McDonald's Sweethearts Clip Gloss Strawberry Scented Toy. I believe this was part of the 2017 Happy Meal for the girls toy set. So once it's unboxed, you have this collector heart pendant. Tells you all the other heart shapes, such as Be Happy, Laugh. And on the back, Donald McClay. And even this is wrapped up. It says So Sweet. Wrapped. Here is the heart shape in pink glitter. See that? It's glittering with the sun. So here's how to use it, guys. What you're gonna do is flip this open. Put this piece of paper in there, and then you apply it to your lip. So open this. Here's the mirror, guys. So you remove this and apply it to your lip to make your lip pink. It's pretty awesome. It even comes with this pendant. It says, "A sweet Valentine for you, sweethearts," and you give it somebody to and from. We have the Nickelodeon Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles as part of another Happy Meal. This is set number 4. I believe this came out last year, right? Yup, 2016. I believe this is Raphael. Comes with collectible coin. See the instructions. Press the button in the back, and Raphael is going to use his ninja size. There you go. Look at Raphael. It looks like a robot, right? Decked out, armor, ready to go, and ready to fight. There are the size. Let's go ahead and press this. See that? Oh, wow, look at Raphael go. Super fast with his size. Super fun, guys. We have the Lego Batman movie that just came out not too long ago this year. Set number 3. A whole bunch of goodies in here, but all came in here, guys. You have the collectible coin, some coupons, and let's take a look at the cup, guys. Check it out. Got Robin, Catwoman, Batgirl, Riddler. Put the top on, and it looks like just like a Lego where you put a straw, just sip it like that. That's pretty awesome, guys. I love it. Have you guys seen the movie? How was it? Ready for the next set? Why is the Hello Sanrio? Set number 2, Arcade Bats Maru from the 2016 McDonald's Happy Meal. Straight out of the box, you get a whole bunch of stickers they can put on the Sanrio. Hello Sanrio, he's looking super cute. And the instructions on how to use it. Looks like that's his house. Let's take a look at the blue house. Here's the Hello Sanrio shop. So you open it and veil. Oh my goodness, how cute he is. It kind of looks like penguins of Madagascar and like Pikachu. Let's go ahead and deck this out and make it look pretty. Look at that, it's got a window. Bats Maru. This one looks awesome. This is probably my favorite toy of the set. Alright guys, are you guys ready to look at the redesign of Bats Maru's house? Let's go and unveil it. Check out his room, guys. It's got the arcade and a star. See that? Very nice stickers. And here's on the front. It is truly awesome. I love this. Can you guys do better than that? Nickelodeon Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This number 8 is Metal Mutant Michelangelo. It comes with the collectible coin. Make sure you collect them all. Press the button, and it looks like he swings his tonfa. Let's take a look at Michelangelo, guys. The orange and the neon green and the orange with the tonfa weapon of choice. It's pretty awesome. See that? Swing his left arm and he rotates his tonfa in his style. That is pretty awesome. See all the, whoa, look at this. Look how fast he's doing. This is even better than Raphael. Pretty awesome right there. And lastly, we have the, it's the Hot Wheels Spin King. This is set number 2 as part of the earlier 2017 McDonald's Happy Meal. Now, I'm not gonna open this up, guys. I'm gonna give this away to a lucky subscriber. Now, if I've reviewed this as part of my Happy Meal review, which one did they hook me up with? Oh wow, check it out, guys. I love the color. It is the Hot Wheels set number 2. This is the awesome Spin King, just like Fast and Furious. So much stuff in here. It's like a trading card and stickers and everything. Take a look at this. Here is the Hot Wheels Spin King collectible coin. And let's go ahead and open this. This must be the collectible card, guys, with the sticker. Oh wow, look at this. We can decorate it. Challenge Lab Hot Wheels Acceleration. So here is the instruction card. Basically what you do is check the acceleration by how quickly you speed or slow down. Pull the card back about the length of your hand and let it go. Check the number on the windshield. Now pull it back twice as far, let it go. Check the number again. Is it higher? If it's higher, that means you have accelerated crazy fast. And let's take a look at the car in itself. Check it out. Look at that awesome lime green color. Reminds me of the Seattle Seahawks color. On the side, here's a side view with the awesome spinner chrome wheels, right? And the huge spoiler on the back. It reminds me of like Alfa Romeo or the Batmobile. The huge spoiler. And here's another side view. Here's the top view. See these super exhausts on there. And here are the readouts on how fast acceleration is on the windshield. And on the back is the lever where you set the acceleration with the Hot Wheels logo. Look, and with all the important engineering on the bottom side, and it's super fast, ready to go. Look at that glossy lime green color, guys. This is amazing. Let's go test it out. Before sticker decoration and after sticker decoration. Oh my goodness, it looks so fantastic. Check it out, guys. Totally amazing. Well, let's go ahead and give it a try. Start with make sure calibrate to 0. Per the instructions, you want to pull it to the length of your hand. Here you go. Wow. It looks like the speed of that was only 15 miles per hour. Now let's go ahead and try it again. Now let's try it twice as far as my hand. Oh wow, look how fast it's going, guys. It reached an amazing speed of 70 miles per hour. That's faster than you can go on the highway. Guys, now it's for the ultimate test. The Spin King versus the Superman. DC Superheroes Hot Wheel. Here we go. Here we go, guys. The winner gets $500 billion. Oh my goodness, guys! Superman flew up like a fighter jet. So I'm gonna post that video there, and may the lucky winner win this awesome toy. Check out, guys, here are all 6 sets of the toys. It's pretty amazing and spectacular. Lucky winner gets the Hot Wheel. Which of these are your favorite? Make sure you click on the like, comment, share, subscribe,